Hi everyone and welcome to today's Qigong practice. Today I have a 10-minute Qigong routine for you for the neck and shoulders. We're going to do a gentle self-massage to activate the energy and stimulate a few points. We're also going to do gentle stretching to release tension and encourage blood flow to the neck, shoulders and the head. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin. Find a comfortable place for you to sit. Make sure you keep your spine nice and straight and gently relax your entire body. Let's begin by rubbing the hands together. We're going to start with a face, head and neck massage. Begin to draw your attention to your palms. Begin to feel the skin, the sensations. Feel your fingers, the center of your palm. One of the most important steps in body relaxation is relaxing the face. And this is what we're going to do. So when your hands feel nice and warm, gently massage your face, focusing on releasing tension and relaxing, especially the muscles of the forehead, between the eyebrows. Relax your eyes and your eyelids. Relax the corner of the mouth. Relax your jaw. Just feel the softness, feel the pleasant touch connecting to the body. Very good. Rub your hands. Next, we're going to do an exercise called 10 dragons running through the forest. 10 fingers, we're going to brush and comb the hair. It's probably better done when your hair is down. So make sure you run all 10 fingers down towards the neck. Noticing if you have any areas that are sore, tender, you might want to come back to that and massage them a little bit longer. Passing through the top of the head, behind the ears, down towards the neck. Very good. Relax. Next, we're going to massage the neck. So I want you to bring this area right under where the head connects the neck. And we're going to slide, generating the warmth and massaging firmly just below the skull, top of the neck. Feel the warmth coming through. One more time and relax. Same on the other side. Go ahead and massage. The points located there help the energy circulation to the brain, to the head. It's also beneficial if you have too much energy trapped. There's no way out, so releasing that area, opening the pathways will help to get the energy down and away from the head. Relax. From here, we gently massage with the long strokes. You can do one side first. Pulling down. It's firm, but it's pleasant, it's comforting. You shouldn't cause any pain or discomfort. Very good. Same on the other side. Pull down. And as you do, begin to soften, relaxing the muscles of the neck, releasing that tension. Very good. So we take an open palm I'm going to place it, if you've been following my videos, right at the bottom where we have the 7th vertebra spine, right at the bottom of the neck. And we're also going to massage it. Very good. Same on the other side. Again, distributing the warmth. Feel the skin, feel the sensation, feel what's happening inside of your body. Relax. Okay, definitely lots of awareness and space begin to form. From here, we're going to bring the fingers together, and with the muscle that's located between the thumb and the rest of the finger, we're going to tap on the shoulder, on the muscle that runs down from your neck to the shoulder. Tap, tap, tap. Hey, buddy. You okay? Very good. Release. Checking in. Staying fully aware. And then same here. Is anyone there? Go check it out. My guardian today. Tap, tap, tap. Release. We continue with the shoulders. So we're going to lift the shoulders up and squeeze tight at the top. Then release and feel your shoulders melting into your torso. Feel your neck and shoulders releasing and letting go. We go up and down. Good effort here. Squeeze and hold. And then full relaxation, comfort, and joy. We go again. Go up and down. If your shoulders are sensitive, move within your comfortable range. Squeeze a little and then let it relax. If you feel good, follow me. Good squeeze at the top and then release down. Very good. And here, take a moment to extend through your spine upwards, making the back of your neck nice and long, drawing your shoulders down, creating that space and awareness in your upper back and in your neck. Let all your arms, all 2 of them, to relax. Feels very good. Then we're going to open to the side. Fingers upward, wrists are bent, shoulders relaxed. Then begin to slowly draw your hands behind your torso and lift to go above your shoulders. Hold this position. I want you to feel that opening coming right from the center of your chest. Then release, draw your hands back and relax. We're going to do a couple of those. First, we push in the opposite directions and then begin to go back and up. Feel the expansion right across your chest. Feel the tendons all the way down your arms to the fingers. Release, drawing everything back. We go again. Push. Go to the back and up. You feel your shoulder blades close in. Release. One more time. Push out to the back and up. Draw them back. Relax fully and let your arms rest on top of your knees. Let the middle back and the upper back to relax, maybe wiggle a little bit, loosen up. creating that space, comfort. Okay, so grab yourself and reach up. I want you to feel the opening through the side of your body. You can actually allow yourself to fall, but your hand is holding you nice and tight. Release from here, back to neutral spine, and we change sides. Relax. 2 more on each side. Open. So here I want you, it's almost like you're fighting the opposite direction. So you're trying to go there, but you're also trying to go back, and you feel right down the side of your body. Come back. Always allow yourself to relax. Come back. Always allow yourself to breathe, no matter what. Don't hold or lock your breath. Come back. And one more time. Up. And come back. Full relaxation here. Begin to notice the sensations within. Then we're going to twist to the back. So you also grab yourself, and then you turn with a straight spine. We release, and we go to the other side. And make sure you breathe as you hold the posture. Release. So knowing your limitations, turn gently. Come back. Slowly, you're moving from the bottom of your torso. Your head turns last. Come back. Once more on each side. Come back. And turn. And come back. Very good. Back to neutral spine. Crown of the head is lifting upwards. The back of the neck is nice and long. Shoulders relaxed. Relax all the way down through your middle back into your lower back. And from here, we're going to rotate or circle all the way from the bottom of the torso. You want to have a good circulation up and down your spine so the energy can move freely. This is also beneficial for the neck and shoulders. So here, if you're sitting on the ground or on the floor, I want you to connect through the bottom of the torso, through your entire spinal column, and finish right at the top. Feel as if you're drawing circles on the sky with the top of your head. Your spine is straight, your lower back is relaxed. You don't feel a pull or strain or any discomfort. If you're sitting on a chair, this movement is also very, very good. Just begin to rotate your torso as you let your hands rest on top of your thighs. One more time in this direction. And then go the opposite. Feel free to close your eyes or soften your gaze, drawing your attention inward. Feel your spine. Feel the bottom of your torso. Let your hips relax. Let the energy circulate freely in your pelvis floor area. Very good. Two more times. And last one, circle around. Then come back to the center. Open your palms. Open your chest. Relax your abdominal muscles. And take a moment to notice what changed. Notice where your awareness is. Feel the space in your joints. Feel your muscles letting go and relax. And feel a good, healthy circulation in your upper back, neck, down your spine, moving to the chest, down your arms. Bring your awareness to your breath. Just take a couple of comforting deep breaths in and out the nose. Simply enjoying this moment with yourself. Very good. You can close gently. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you found a little relief in your neck and shoulders. And if you like to practice longer routines, if you're interested in joining me live every Sunday on Zoom, consider checking my membership site. You get access to lots of different content and tutorials, weekly live classes, and a great community from all around the world. I'll put more information in the description below. Enjoy the rest of your day, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.